Hello there and welcome to the short video about one of our services we offer, and that is file recovery and data recovery. Now, in about 90% of the cases when someone calls us and says, oh, I've lost a file on my Mac computer, or I've lost a file on my Windows computer, I think I've deleted it. Most of the time the file is merely misplaced. How you find these locations to hide these file end users, I have no idea, but some really obscure places that a file gets dragged and dropped or saved by accident, and we can help you recover those and find them. Now, sometimes, however, people do delete their files, and we have data recovery and file recovery software that can find these files and get them back most of the time. The trick is, the second you lose your file, stop using the computer, because the likelihood of you overwriting that temporary space in the drive where that file has been saved, or it's just basically been flagged as deleted. It hasn't necessarily always been deleted. So stop using your computer, pick up the phone, call 0800 420042. We're IT near you, the IT support company near you, and we can help you recover it. Other times it's more severe. You have these little portable drives, or your notebook falls off the desk and suddenly you notice, computer's very, very slow. If you notice your computer, if you bump your computer off a desk, right, and it happens to have one of those old drives inside it called a mechanical drive, and your computer slows down immediately after or starts making a clicking noise, I assure you it's not a bomb, but it's far worse if it's got family photos on there. You could lose your photos. Once again, switch that computer off, leave it off, give us a call, and we can get it to somebody who's got a data recovery lab. Please do not try and get a computer that has been damaged by a fall or a drop, or one of these portable drives that has fallen or dropped and it's now clicking. Do not get any company to have a look at that drive. It's very important you send it to somebody like one of our business partners who has a proper data recovery lab who can actually help you recover that stuff. So yeah, if you accidentally bump a drive or bump your notebook and you notice it's slowing down or it's making a funny noise, get in contact with us ASAP. Switch that machine off. Don't try and copy the data off yourself, because if something has been damaged inside that computer on the drive, the more it spins, the worse it gets. So we can recover your information, especially if it's critical information, but the sooner we get the drive, the better. The more chance we have of getting that information back. So yeah, if you have any file recovery issues, you've lost the file, misplaced the file, or you've bumped a computer, or you suspect your computer's damaged because it's running slowly, give us a call, 0800 420042. We're IT near you. We're the computer support and services and data recovery experts near you in the greater Wellington region.